What's up, traders? It's Mark here at Dino Trading. Let's get right into today's incredible recap on the market. And I'm going to be honest with you guys, my feelings on the market today were you could not have asked for a better day for a comeback. Right? The selling has been relentless over the last couple of weeks, and in my opinion, guys, it just felt great to have a nice green day. Let's get right into it, folks. What you're seeing on the screen is a chart of the S&P 500. This is the global benchmark, but don't worry, for all you NASDAQ lovers, I've got the NAS queued up for you. We're going to come back to the NAS in just a few seconds here, but boy, what a day, man, on the S&P. Like I said, I don't know if this was a relief rally or the sellers were just exhausted and the buyers decided to finally step in, right? For me, I don't know and I don't care. I am a guy who only wants to look at color changes. That's what you see overlaid on top of the chart. This green and red color band is our proprietary algorithmic tool. Okay, I call it the volume indicator, and it's designed to detect volume flushes in either direction. When it's red, it tells you that the sellers are in control, okay? And when it turns green, boy, you had better be on the lookout. Because when the color changes, as it did in this exact moment in time, what that tells you, folks, is that there's been a trend change. And that is a really important and useful piece of information, and that's something you got to take very, very seriously. Trend changes are how you can potentially increase your probabilities. Remember, folks, what is trading? Right? Trading is nothing more than a game of probabilities, and we have one job every day when we turn on our computers and start looking at the market and doing our technical analysis, right? Our only job is to try to find high probability / low risk setups, right? There's never going to be a no risk setups. You guys know that. Day trading is very risky. It's very hard. 97% of traders lose money. Why? In my opinion, I think that's because they are terrible at trying to find a trend change, or even just trying to isolate and identify the starting point of a trend, right? If you're looking at this chart, folks, right, you tell me what's confusing about it, what's cluttered about it. Nothing. It's simply red when the sellers are in control, and it turns green when it detects that the buyers are in control. You still have to do all the other things that you would normally do, right? Implement good risk reward practices, look for low risk locations in the chart, and let the trend do the heavy lifting for you, right? Because this exact moment in time where the trend changes, this to me is the most valuable part of any trading strategy. I only want to know the beginning of the trend, right? I don't want to know the middle of the trend. I definitely don't want to know the end of the trend. All those dummies that are coming in and trying to buy the market here are just late to the party, and this is just dumb, right? The only valuable part, ladies and gentlemen, of any trading strategy, in my opinion, is trying to detect the starting point of a trend. And this volume indicator, I think, makes it super easy for you. Let's also take a look at the NAS. I actually like the NAS a little bit better today, folks, because the NAS had an incredible comeback. Folks, this right here, what you're seeing on the screen right now from the open, all right, where it turned green, to the close was just about 900 ticks or pips if you're following along in Forex. Just think about that. 900 ticks or pips. Let's just quickly do the math. All right. A lot of you guys seem to be confused on the math. Let's just talk about that. You guys know that on the NAS, on the futures version of the NAS, all right, I'll try to show you the P&L potential calculation both on futures and on Forex. On the NAS, it is $5 a tick. All right, that's the standard with any broker. So if you just do simple math here, okay, 900 ticks times $5 a tick, assuming that a person's trading just one standard lot or one contract, folks, this is $4,500 potential. Okay? And it's $10 a tick if you're in Forex. So double this potential if you happen to enjoy trading the NAS 100 Forex edition. Folks, this is just on one contract, all right? Not even talking about 2 contracts, which to me is the norm, okay, or 4 contracts or 10 contracts. I'm just talking about a lousy 1 standard lot or a lousy 1 contract. And look, you shouldn't assume that you're going to make this entire amount, but what I have always said is that when you see a market's potential, all right, a good game plan would be, again, in my opinion, everything I'm sharing here with you guys is my opinion, all right? A good game plan to me would look like potentially trying to grab even a fraction of this. Like, what's wrong with setting a goal of maybe trying to get half of this or 30% of this? Heck, even 10% of this potential would make a lot of traders happy, right? But look, folks, at the end of the day, there's only one thing that matters, and that thing is the trend. You can't stop the trend. I can't stop the trend. Goldman Sachs is not going to stop the trend. Warren Buffett's not going to. No one's going to stop a trend, okay? Because once a trend starts, it's like a runaway freight train. You can't get in front of this. You should think about getting on board this train instead of trying to step in front of this train. Make sense? So again, congrats to everybody who was able to catch this significant trend using the vol indicator today. I felt it was kind of a relief rally. Are we going to see a sell-off tomorrow? The day after? Who knows? Who cares? Okay, let's keep trying to trade the trend. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.